In this video, we will see how to create this 3D model in Creo Parametric. So first of all, we create an 180 by 120 rectangular. Click on New, click on Part, OK. Click on Extrude, select this face, normal view. Click on Rectangle, make one rectangle, give the dimension 180 by 120. 180 by 120 and extrude it up to 60 mm. Okay. The next thing is we have to create and cut here in which the depth is 12 and this is 24, 24. So how we create this? So we will go here. Okay, select on this face, click on sketch, click on normal view, make rectangle here. Depth is 12 mm, smart dimension, depth is 12, depth is 12, this dimension is 24, this dimension is also 24. Then click on OK, click on extrude. Here give the dimension -24. Then click on OK. The cut is ready. Then click here Control 2. So it will be appear as a edges. The next thing is we have to create this cut. For that we required an plane. And for that we required the points. So click on here points. Cancel. Sketch. Select this face. Sketch. Click on the points and make point here. Click on dimension from here up to here. The dimension is from here up to here. It is the 90 mm. So remove this dimension from here up to here. The dimension is 90 mm. Again, click on point. Here, give one more point. The dimension is 90 mm. Same as this. Click on OK. Okay. Sketch. Go here. Sketch. Point. 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 90. Click on OK. Selection is complete. No. So our point is ready. The next thing is again go in the sketch. Go in the sketch. Okay. Yes. Or as you can see, the point is not created here. So we will go in the plane. Cancel. Sketch. Click here. Click on the line. And make one line here at the distance of 90 mm. Okay. This is ready. So this line is ready. One more line we need to create here at the distance of 156. Again click on sketch, click here, click on sketch, line, create one line at the distance of 156 mm. So this is ready. Again go in the sketch, click on this face, click on sketch, click on line, make center line here, center line. Okay. The next thing is we need to create on the plane, and create an plane, select this point, control, select this point, control, and here one more point will be available. Click on this point. So our plane is ready right now. Then click on OK. Click on sketch. Click on the normal view. Click on line and click on normal view. And we want to cut this. For that, create a rectangle here. Again, delete. Click on rectangle. Click on OK. Click on extrude. Reverse the direction. And click on remove material. As you can see, material is removed. This much material is removed. We need to create one more plane here. For that, click on plane, select this face, control, select this place, click on OK. The mid plane is created. Then click on the mirror, click on this extrude. OK, select an item, this face. Then click on the extrude command. OK, so we need to create a mirror here. For that, delete, click on OK, click on extrude, click on mirror, click on this plane and click on OK. If you want to hide an plane, then click here. So the plane is hide. As you can see, this is OK. Then we need to cut here. For that, go here, click on extrude, click on normal view, then click on the continuous line, or you can use the palettes. From the palettes, we will go in the profile, then click on the profile, click on the oval or this racetrack. Okay. The next thing is, it is at this, as you can see, this distance is 180, this distance is 98. So at the center. So it is at the center. Close. Okay, again. Go in the palettes. Shapes. Racetrack. Okay. Select this axis. This. Close. Give here the dimension. As you can see, this is the 66. 66. 66. This dimension is 48. 48 plus the dia. Dia is 24. So 48 plus 24, that is 72. 48 plus this 12, so 24. 48 plus 24. Okay, 72. and the radius is 12, so diameter is 24, and the distance is from here to here, it is 120. So we need to give 60, 60. For that, click on dimension, click on this point, this line, and give the dimension 60. So at this point, this is defined. Click on OK, reverse the direction up to the next, and click on OK. As you can see, the cut is ready. As you can see, the cut is ready, completely ready. So our model is completely right now ready. Thank you very much.